next we are going to see about hypermetropia. We have studied about what? Myopia, right? The next what we are going to see is hypermetropia. Same way, it is also called as far-sightedness. Okay, opposite to that of nearsightedness. They can see distant objects clearly, but they can't see near objects, I said. No, they can see distant objects, but if you are asking them to read, they will not be able to. Causes. There we have studied two causes. Here also, the focal length of the eye lens is too long. Okay, focal length is too long. And eyeball, there it becomes elongated, and here it becomes too small. Okay, write it in a difference form and then study. It will be easy for you. Okay, differentiate myopia, hypermetropia. So focal length is too long, then it is opposite. Here eyeball is too small. Hypermetropic eye, how it will be? See here, actually this is the normal person. For a normal person, the point will be here. But for hypermetropic people, the point will be here and it will diverge like this and it will converge, and here the image will be formed. We have studied actually that where the image will be formed? On the retina. Okay, but here the image is formed behind the retina. In myopia we have studied that the image is formed in front of the retina. So normal man or a normal person should get the image on the retina. If he gets in front of the retina, then it is myopia. If he gets behind the retina, then it is hypermetropia. So for a normal person it is like this. For hypermetropic eye, the point will be from here, the near point, and automatically it will shift. The image will be formed behind the retina. This is very important, this diagram. Okay. So near point this is the near point. Actually, it should come like this and it should come to the retina. This is how the normal eye should be. So correction, how can we do that? So when we are giving which lens here? There we kept concave lens. Here we are keeping a convex lens. Normally it will see like this and it will get the image behind the retina. But when you are keeping a convex lens, automatically it will be shifted like this, and now see here, it will go like this and it will get the image on the retina. Okay, so by keeping this, automatically instead of getting behind the retina, it will get on the retina. When you are labeling, you label this is the near point of hypermetropic eye and this is the near point of normal eye. Normal person will get it here, but hypermetropic person is getting it here. So when we keep on convex lens, automatically the image will be on the retina. How it can be corrected? I told you. It can be corrected by convex lens. There we studied that it should be corrected by using a concave lens. Here it is convex lens of appropriate power. The next two defects what we are studying is presbyopia and astigmatism. Okay. So we have studied about myopia. It is only for small children. This is hypermetropia. People those who are above 40 will get this. And presbyopia. What is presbyopia means? It is similar to that of hypermetropia, but they will be having both. They can't see far, they can't see near. See what is the reason for that? Is weakening of ciliary muscles due to age. Your grandmother, grandfather and all, no, because of that age, no, the ciliary muscles will get weakened. It can't hold properly. So weakening of ciliary muscles, and the next one is diminishing flexibility. The flexibility will diminish. So flexibility of the eye lens. These two reasons are the reason for presbyopia. How can we correct it? This question, no? How can we correct it? It can be corrected by using a bifocal lens. What do you mean bifocal lens? Both the lens will be in the same specs. If you see the specs of your grandmother or grandfather, the first half above it will be concave so that they can see far off objects. Below if you see convex, they can read. So both will be in the same specs and that is called as bifocal lens. Okay. So presbyopia can be corrected by using bifocal lens. This was asked last year that what kind of lens should be used to treat presbyopia. Neither concave nor convex. What is that? Bifocal. It means that both the lens will be in the same space. So above it will be concave and below it will be convex. Okay. And the next one what we are studying is astigmatism. What do you mean by astigmatism? The fourth defect what we are going to see is astigmatism. Astigmatism is a person simultaneously they can't see both the horizontal and vertical lines with the same clarity. Okay, we can see horizontal lines as well as what? Vertical lines. We can see. If I draw like this, you can see what line it is. If I draw like this, you will tell what line it is. So we can see both. But this person who is having astigmatism, they will not be able to see the clarity. They will not be able to see both in the same clarity. Okay. How it can be corrected? It can. What is the cause for this? Due to the irregular curvature of cornea. Irregular curvature of cornea. Which is the cornea part? Front part. Okay. So it is because of the irregular curvature of cornea. Correction, it can be corrected by using cylindrical lens. What do you mean by cylindrical lens? It will be like this. Cylindrical lens. Okay, we have studied about concave lens, convex lens and bifocal lens. This is cylindrical lens. See for example, this is our eye. If you are seeing an object like this, for that astigmatic person, he will get the image like this in his cornea, in his retina. So they will not be able to see the lines clearly, vertical lines and this one. So for that kind of defect, they will keep a cylindrical lens like this in the specs. If you keep like that, automatically this will also be like how the object is. Okay, so that is called as astigmatism. Okay, these are the four things. And two more things we will discuss. Color blindness. What do you mean by color blindness? They will not be able to see a specific color. See here, a person who cannot distinguish between various colors. For some people, they will not be able to see blue color properly. They will not be able to see green color properly. So that particular color, they will not be able to see clearly. Okay, that is called as color blindness. What is the reason for that? Due to the lack of some cones. In the cones are responsible for colors. No? So cones are some specific cone cells will not be there due to lack of some cones in the retina of the eye. So they will get color blindness. What do you mean night blindness? You heard of night blindness? Nights they will not be able to find out. Okay, what is night blindness? What is the reason for that? It's a genetic problem, I think. Find it out. Okay, you should tell me whether it's a genetic problem or not. If parents are having genetic problem, means what? If parents are having the problem, children also will get it. Okay, and cataract. What do you mean by cataract? If you have your grandfather, grandmother at home, after a certain age, they will complain that they will not be able to see things clearly. And if you see their eyes, one layer like thing will cover their eyes. Have you seen that? It is due to the development of opaque membrane over the eyelids. Okay, some layer will be there. So they will go for cataract surgery. What will they do? They will remove that layer during that surgery. So due to this one cataract, there will be decrease of loss of vision, decrease of that percentage. Like so 50% they can see, 50% they can't see. Some can see 30%, 70% vision will not be there. So that percentage can be corrected by surgery. Okay. So we have studied about the defects of eye, myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia, astigmatism, and we have also seen what is color blindness, cataract, night blindness, etc. So eat healthy food, keep your eyes healthy. Okay. Do you know some exercises for your eyes? Winking is also a very good exercise, no? If you wink, what happens? It will clean our eyes, correct? Why should we clean our eyes? Read something more. It's very interesting to read about how to exercise our eyes, okay? And exercise and keep your eyes healthy. And what should be you eat to keep your eyes healthy? Yes, all winter. Carrots. Eat more carrots, become rabbits.